In this video tutorial, I am going to explain a projections of straight line problem. The problem is something like this. A line PQ of 100 mm long is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP and 45 degrees to the VP. Its midpoint is in the VP and 20 mm above the HP. Draw the projections if its end P in the third quadrant and end Q is in the first quadrant. Here, the location of the midpoint of the line is given. The midpoint is in the VP. That means the top of the midpoint lies on the XY line and the midpoint is 20 mm above the HP. That means the front view of the midpoint lies 20 mm above the XY line. So now start drawing the projections of half of the line, half of the portion of the line. So remaining half we can get automatically. So start drawing the location of the midpoint. So this is the XY line. Point lies 20 mm above the HP. That means the front view lies 20 mm above. So consider a line 20 mm above the XY line. This distance is 20 mm. Somewhere randomly here you take the M dash. That is the front view of the midpoint. Then so you take the half of the length. Total length is 100. Half of that is 50. So take 50 length and mark Q1 dash. From M dash and Q1 dash project the top view. That is MQ1. This is the simple position of the straight line. From the simple position, take the inclination with respect to HP, that is 30 degrees. Take M dash as center, M dash Q1 dash as radius, draw an arc that will intersect this inclined line somewhere here. This point you call as Q2 dash. Draw a line passing through Q2 dash. This is called as locus of front views. From Q2 dash, if you draw a projector onto M and Q1, this point will be Q2. This is the reduced length due to this inclination with respect to HP. Then to represent the inclination with respect to VP, take the inclination from point M, that is 45 degrees. Take M as center, M Q1 as radius, draw an arc. This is Q3. The line passing through this Q3 point will indicate the locus of top views. From Q3, if you draw a projector to the front view, you will get the Q3 dash. Now to get the final front view, take M dash as center, M dash Q3 dash as radius, draw an arc onto locus of front views. Now this point is Q dash. Line joining M dash and Q dash will give the final front view. To get the final top view, take M as center, MQ2 as radius, draw an arc onto the locus of top views. This point is Q. Line joining M and Q will give the final top view. Q dash and Q must lie on the same line. That is the verification. To get the total projection, so till now we have drawn for half of the line. To get the projection of the total straight line, extend this M dash and Q dash like this. This extension portion length is equal to M dash and Q dash only. This portion is equal to this portion, such that this is the midpoint of this final projection. Now this P dash is below the XY line, that means this is in the third quadrant. Now extend this MQ line such that this MP is equal to MQ. Here the verification is this P dash and P must lie on the same projector. That is the verification. Here the inclination of this M dash Q dash with respect to this horizontal line is alpha. Here the inclination of MQ with this horizontal line is beta.